How to disable Facebook without deleting it. Now let's say you want to disable your Facebook account without you deleting the contents, the documents, and the data you have on your Facebook app. Now all you have to do that is to go to your settings and search for apps right there. Once you're there, all you have to do is to tap on apps again and then scroll down until you find Facebook app. It's right here. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on Force Stop right here so that you can disable your Facebook without you having to delete it. So you just have to tap on Force Stop right here. But that doesn't mean that you have disabled your Facebook account. The next thing to do is to go to your storage right here and tap on Clear Cache right here. What we did is that we have disabled Facebook or disabled the program of Facebook so that it can restart its course of program, so that whenever we open our Facebook account, we'll be able to see a freshly restarted Facebook program. So that's how to disable Facebook without deleting it. Hope we help.